All right, guys. So this assignment, mole conversion practice 2, is due on Thursday, which is tomorrow, March 26th at 8 p.m. All right. So I want to go over we're going to go over number 1, 2, and then we're going to go over 7 and 8. All right. So I suggest that you have your screen also ready to do this work. So our first question here is, how many moles of lithium oxide, Li2O, is in 320 grams? So our first step is to figure out the molar mass, right? Molar mass of Li2O. And I already have that down over here, and I got 29.8 grams per mole. All right, so we're given grams and we want to convert to moles, right? So when we're given grams and we want to convert to moles, we're going to divide by molar mass, right? So we're going to put the number on the bottom so that grams cancel out. All right, so I'm going to plug this into the calculator. 320 divided by 29.8 is 10.74 moles. All right, so that's what I got. So that's our final answer for number 1. Let's move on to number 2. How many grams are in 0.45 moles of copper sulfate? Copper sulfate has a molar mass of 159.61 grams per mole. All right, so we're given moles and we want to convert to grams. So we're going to start with the given. All right, so when we're given moles and we want to convert it into mass, we're going to multiply by the molar mass so that the moles cancel out. All right, so I'm going to plug that into the calculator. 0.45 times 159.61 equals 71.82 grams. All right, so that's what I get. And that's our final answer, 71.82 grams. All right, so I'm gonna go now and work on part 2, which is mole to molecules, molecules to mole conversion problems. Remember, when you see the word molecules in the problem, you're probably using the Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 times 10 to the 23 molecules, right? I'm just gonna write that. All right, so our number 7 says, how many molecules are in 1.68 moles of gas? So we're converting moles to molecules, right? So when you're given moles and we want molecules, we're going to multiply by the Avogadro's number, right? Because there's 6.02 times 10 to the 23 molecules in 1 mole of any substance. So when we do this math out, I get 1.68 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23, and I get 1.01 times 10 to the 24 molecules. All right. Here, when you guys do this on your calculator, some of you guys only write as your answer this first part, 1.01, and you forget the power. You have to write the full number because this is the correct answer as a whole, okay? Let's do number 8. we're given molecules and we need to convert it to moles. So let's write that down. 8.32 times 10 to the 25 molecules. We're given molecules and we want to convert it to moles. So we're going to divide by the Avogadro's number. So I'm going to put the number on the bottom. And you see how I put it in parentheses? Because when you plug this into the calculator, you want this whole number in parentheses to get the right calculation. All right, so I'm gonna plug that into an online calculator so you guys can see what I'm doing. All right, so I'm gonna share a different screen right now. Where is it? Right here. Oh, let me do that again. All right, so I'm on an online calculator and I want to do this together with you guys. So we're still on number 8. So it's going to be 8.32 times 10 to the 25 divided by, you see how I'm putting it in parentheses, 6.02 times 10 to the 23 power, close parentheses, and I get 138.2 moles. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys that so you don't forget your the parentheses for 6.02 times 10 to the 23. So our final answer is 138. Was it 5 or 2? All right, I'm just gonna put that. All right. Alrighty, so I'm going to stop sharing my screen. I'm gonna unmute you guys so you guys can ask questions.